What's up, guys? Welcome back to another banger of a video. Today we're rolling in the Civic today. It's dirty as hell. If you get close up, yeah, you guys can see right there. Here, I'll show you guys even worse. So anyways, what are we doing today? Today we are going to be dropping off my S2000 cluster that I have for the Civic. I've been talking about it for months in many videos, but I never showed it to you guys. But I have it. I actually do have it. So it's right here. So we have no passenger seat now. I sold my stock seats a couple weeks ago, so I got some extra money off that. So we're gonna be using that against like towards the Civic, I think. I mean the CR-V. But anyways, so here I have is the AP2 S2000 cluster, so you guys can see. You can see my musty ass right there. But yeah, I already have I had ordered the harness like a couple months ago, like about almost 3 months ago. But the guy has been having some like medical issues, and he told me that it's ready. It's just that the he's just waiting on the K-tune converter for the, I think it's for the coolant and the fuel and the miles per hour. I don't know, it's something for those, one of the three or all three. But yeah, he has that. He's just waiting on that. He said that he hit up 2 shops, and then or if he can't get them through those 2 shops, he's just gonna mail it out to me. But yeah, just waiting on that. And then I need to send him the cluster so he could put the mileage that I have on the stock cluster, because I wanted to match up so it could be the same. But yeah, so we're pretty much gonna be going to Walmart right now, pick up a box to put the cluster in and mail it out to the guy. But yeah, that's much. It's not gonna be too crazy of a video, just more like of a vlog, I guess. Like, I don't know, errand vlog, I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna be cruising. Maybe we'll hit up the canyon, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, it's a hot day in Cali today. It's about 84 degrees. Lower the music. We got some coffee right there. But I just put it in the ignition. The fans are already kicking on, which is a good thing. I mean, they kick on 15 degrees sooner. Is the what's it called? The Mishimoto fan switch. Highly recommend. I'll put in the description for those who are interested in it. But yeah, I think we're good on our cooling system since we have the bigger radiator and all that. But yeah, here, let me turn on the Civic. But yeah, we're gonna head over to Walmart real quick. I mean, we're literally like right over the building. We're gonna go get the box and boom. Alright, so we're at Walmart. Can't see, but I'm gonna take the cluster with me inside because I don't want to get the wrong size the box. So I want to make sure I get a perfect sized one. But yeah, I'll be back. Alright boys, we got ourselves a box right there. Now we gotta head to the post office and drop it off. I'm gonna wrap it off on camera, and yeah.
Few moments later.
Alright guys, so the package has been dropped off. We're cruising, we're in the PFV mode. Yeah, not much going on with the Civic besides the cluster. Seat's gone. I want to put the another Sparkle Evo on it to match it up, obviously. And I want to put the roll cage. I do want to make a video of like the future plans on the Civic, because just to let everyone know, because I got some plans, but I don't know how soon I'll get to them. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Right now we're just enjoying how it is right now. All clapped out, but it's still fun to drive, you know. All reliable, but yeah. I'm probably not gonna receive everything until like next month probably, or so. I'm not sure when, but yeah, whenever we get that in, we'll put in the Civic, you know. But yeah, it's gonna be touch up the interior by a lot, 100%. But yeah, I don't know, I'm very excited. I've been waiting for it for we'll go next section. I've been waiting for it for like so long already that I don't know, I can't wait much longer. Like, I need it already. Alright guys, so that's pretty much gonna be it for today's video. Sorry if it was like kind of boring, you know. Just wanted to do a quick video to put out. I mean, I want you guys to like get a bit of the behind the scenes, you know. But yeah, this Saturday, right now it is the 21st, I mean. So it'll be the 24th. We're gonna be taking the CRV back to the trails, so we could see like its full potential on the stock suspension. And then we have the ditch lights too, so that's gonna help out too. And but yeah, I want to make a quick video later on of the plans with the Civic, what we're gonna be doing with it. I'd switch up like what I wanted to do. I'm always switching on what I want to do, but obviously I want to keep this thing as clean as possible. Obviously you can see it's not. We got primer over here and over here as well. And yeah, I want this thing to be like at its best within the next year or so, by next summer. But I don't want to get too much into it. I want to save it for the video, share what I want to do, what plans I have, and what we have in store for it. But all I'm saying is that if there's a company out there that wants to work with me, I know I'm small, but if you guys are willing to help me with the build, let me know. At Victor_Doza on Instagram, please let me know. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, even though it was boring like I said. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, have a good one guys.